Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a page to your WordPress website, and not only how to add the page itself, but how to make it visible. So that's the main problem of WordPress beginners, that they can add the page, but how can you make it visible on the website? So here on the front end, we will create the page and we will make it visible here in this menu. And I will show you another way to make it visible here in the About section. What I'm going to do is basically create a very simple About Me page here in my personal website, and I just go ahead and go to Pages, and you can click Add New here, or just simply click on Pages, and then you will see the Add New button. So it basically makes the same. It takes you to the page creation admin panel. So here you need to give it a title. This will be About Me, and I'm going to copy the actual text here. What I made is I basically uploaded my text. This is a very short About Me section, and I inserted two links to my websites, my recipe website and my online marketing website. And basically the text, the page is ready. I'm going to add a picture here just to make it somewhat nicer. Here we go, the page is ready. You can go ahead and click on preview so you can see how your page is going to look like before publishing it. I think this is fine. The only thing I might want to change is to align this picture in the center. So I just go ahead and click align center here, and let's check if this is what we want. I think this is fine. So basically we just created a page in WordPress. Just go ahead and click publish, and your page is live. What this means is if you click on view page, I'm gonna go ahead and click control click, so it opens up in a new tab. You see the page is alive. I have this URL and everything is fine, but you still don't see it here. So it's basically there in the background, but you don't see it on your website. How can you make it visible on your website? Basically, the best way to do it is to use the menus. Every WordPress theme has a main menu, so just go ahead and click Appearance Menus. Here select the one that says Main Menu or something like that, and here you find, in the Pages section, here you find the page that you've just created, the About Me page. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Menu. I remove this, the last post, the only post I had, so I remove that. And I'm also going to go ahead and put a custom link to basically to my home page, and I'm going to write here home as link text, add to menu, move it here, save the menu, and just go ahead and click F5 to refresh the page, and you see here is the home button we've just added, and here is the link to the page. So this is the easiest way to solve this problem actually when you create a page and how to make it visible on your website. Just go ahead and click on it, and our newly created page comes up here. Another solution might be to use something that's called a custom menu. I show you what that means. You just go ahead and click here, create a new menu, and I go ahead and I'm going to name it About. Create menu. Click on this page and add the page to the menu. So basically we've created a custom menu containing only this page, and go ahead and click save. But this is still not visible on the website. You need to make this custom menu visible. You need to place this custom menu somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and place it here in my About section. So this is Appearance Widgets. Just go ahead and click on Widgets and select the one where you want to place your custom menu. This is for me the first, second, the third footer. So footer number 3 or footer widget 3 in my case. Here is the text, which is basically, let me go ahead and close all this, which is basically this text. And here is the social profile part, which is basically these icons. And I'm going to place my link to my custom menu, my link to the newly created page below all this. Just go ahead and select navigation menu here. Just click and drag it where you want to appear and select the menu that you actually want to appear. This is the About menu, the custom menu that we've just created. Go ahead and click on Save, and if I refresh my website with F5, you see the custom menu with this link to my page appears here. So this is the way you add a page to your WordPress site, and also the way you make it visible on your front end on your website. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please give me a like. This will help me spread my videos, and also other people can see my tutorials. Please make sure to subscribe to the WP Cookhouse channel, and thank you for watching.